Hello Amiga fans. Today we're going to take another quick look at some of the old software that we ran in the early days of the Amiga. This is from the second disc of the Deluxe Video program. Deluxe Video was a companion to Deluxe Paint. You can use it to make pretty intricate and stylized presentations. However, today we're going to use the little second disc. This DV player was so you could play your productions. This was helped you bundle it up and move it. This is the program we're going to run right here. Instant Slideshow Maker. Instant Slideshow. Today we're going to be looking at some excellent artwork from Jim Sachs. You know his work from Defender of the Crown and many other games. He was the bar setting artist for the Amiga. These files are on the Amiga Lib Disk 30, and I believe they're in the Fine Art folder. Now we're not going to be transferring any files, just going to be creating a script. Here we have a list of the files that are on that disk, and we're going to make a script by clicking in the order we want. List of file names over here. We're going to compile that into a little show, and then it'll be a standalone program for us to use as we choose. So we're going to start off with probably one of the more famous Jim Sachs pictures, Blue Porsche. Obviously the night one. I'm sure you'll recognize all this imagery. Jim's artwork was used far and wide. Saucer Attack, very famous. Time Crystal, also very famous. And a picture of the shuttle. Okay, this could make this list a lot longer. We can rearrange here, first, last, sooner, later. We can remove things. We can preview what we're looking at if we're not sure what exactly we're looking at. Over here we can set wait times, use a mouse, set overscan. Very handy, very compact program. We're going to make a video, that is, we're going to compile a script of these titles in a standalone. We're going to put that on the other disk because it has some space on it. And we're just going to call it Test 1. So the floppies will have to grunt quite a bit. We'll be back with you when we're done. Okay, that only took a couple of minutes. We're done with this program, so we can quit. We'll shut that off and get it out of our way. Here is the disk we made our script on. And as you can see, it has a little VHS tape looking icon. Should be able to just double click that. It'll access the D-Video boot disk and play our slideshow. The Amiga was well before the internet, well before Windows or PowerPoint, and it was used in numerous ways to make presentations in business or in education. It was the hottest thing running, and it was a different time. And here we go. Jim Sachs has always grabbed my imagination with his fine work. I think Defender of the Crown probably sold more Amiga 500s than you can even count. And it's no wonder given the fine work that he did on that game. There's Saucer Attack. And our palettes didn't quite match. You had to make sure you matched up your palettes so that you didn't get too much color crawl in between. And away we go. Like I said in the last video, it was a different time. We can't compare it to these days, but I'm more and more convinced that this machine helped shape the future we live in now. Without the concepts that were put forward in this piece of computer hardware, we wouldn't have the computers we have today. And that's why I think Amiga users are so proud of their machine, of their hobby now. And so I guess as I ended the other one, I'll say, enjoy your Amiga. Thanks for watching.